Today I'm going to teach you how to view recorded meetings on Stream in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you need to catch up on meetings you missed or review important discussions that were captured during a Teams call. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so you can access all your meeting recordings and chat history. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see several navigation options, and you'll want to click on Chat. This is where all your conversations and meeting threads are stored, including those that have recorded videos attached to them. Now comes the part where you need to locate the specific meeting that contains the recorded video you want to watch. Scroll through your chat list and find the conversation thread associated with that particular meeting. This might take a moment if you have many active chats, so take your time to find the right one. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that chat thread. This will open up the full conversation, and you should be able to see any files, links, or recordings that were shared during or after the meeting. At this point, you can see the recorded video right there in the chat. The recording is now viewable on Stream directly within Teams. You can click on it to start playing the video and watch the meeting content right from this interface. This is convenient if you want to stay within the Teams environment while reviewing the recording. However, if you prefer a different viewing experience or want to access additional Stream features, you have another option. Look for the button that says Watch in Browser. Clicking this will open the recording in a separate browser window, giving you the full Stream interface with more playback controls and sharing options. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your recorded meetings on Stream through Microsoft Teams. Whether you choose to watch within Teams or in your browser, you now have full access to review any recorded content from your meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.